good to see you.
Meet your brother.
Welcome, nice to see you.
मेरे चैनल के लिए बड़े क्यूटली एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं दोनों.
When Dhurandhar 1 and 2 came, nobody complained about how much the popcorn was being sold.
There was a 6.5-year-old girl.
हिंदी में बोलो. अंग्रेज चले गए, एक्सेंट छोड़ गए.
This was our first experiment with the high-end luxury cinema.
Live
Janam
forever.
Janam ka hai.
जन्म हाय हिंदी निकली हिंदी.
I'm a greatest life coach. अपनी जिंदगी चला लेती हूँ वही बहुत है. Like, share, they subscribe.
वेलकम. आज मैं पीवीआर में हूँ. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट पीवीआर्स विच इज़ डायरेक्टर्स कट एंड दिस इज़ इन वसंत कुंज. एंड लुक हूज हियर टुडे विद अस. Hi, Sanjeev.
Hello, good to see you.
Hi. Sanjeev is a very very dear friend.
Yes.
And family
Absolutely,
also in many ways.
absolutely,
वो हम
yes.
आपको बताएंगे. But also runs PVR.
Yes,
So,
and
thank
so
you.
good to have you over.
महीने में 2 या 3 बार, 2 बार दिल्ली आती हूँ. And there is a movie scheduled for all of us.
Yeah,
Because अब
yeah.
कौन सी देखनी है, अब कौन सी देखनी है. It's
Yeah.
always Delhi and it's mostly here.
Yeah, thank you so
So.
much.
And thank you for this
and-
beautiful space.
Yeah.
How old is this?
This one is about 10 years old, I think now, maybe 10 to 12 years. This was our first experiment with the high-end luxury cinema, where all the 4 auditoriums have recliners. They're of varying capacity. No, of course, compromise on sound and projection, because
Yeah.
the customer now has become very discerning.
Yeah.
We give blankets, there's a bell on
Yeah.
the seats, service on seats, full menu, not just popcorn, but sushi and bento boxes.
हम शुरू हुए थे समोसा पॉपकॉर्न.
Yeah.
हम कहाँ पहुँच गए आज. फाइन डाइनिंग. एक वो होता था कि हम पिक्चर देखने जाते थे और ये हम कुछ बेसिक खाना खाते थे.
Yeah.
बट ऐसे तो कहा जाता है ना कि जहाँ पीवीआर आता है वहाँ उस डेवलपर की भी चांदी हो जाती है ना.
Now we don't.
अच्छा.
Because now the developers are also very smart and they look at their yield, per square feet yield. And if they don't get that yield from our space, they are very willing to give it to someone else, because at the end of the day, everything is commerce. So our input cost is very, very, very high. Just the way I think I would assume that when you produce a film, the production cost is also very
बहुत
high.
बढ़ गई है.
वो भी बढ़ रही हैं, सब कुछ ही बढ़ रहा है.
हिंदी में तो
Production,
बहुत बढ़ गया.
Hindi and all of that, because everyone wants to make a great product, right? They won't compromise on the film. But I've also noticed that these chatter around the prices becomes extremely irrelevant when a film is good. When Dhurandhar 1 and 2 came, nobody complained about how much the popcorn was being sold.
Even when we make films and we are
Yeah.
sitting down and talking, the length of the film matters in
Yeah.
distribution. Even when you go to an Odeon, you go to those in CP, the ones that they are there. I love
Plaza and
and
Odeon.
Odeon साथ.
Yeah.
तो वो भी मतलब धीरे-धीरे करते मतलब how many screens are there now in PVR?
We have a total of almost 1,800 screens now. We are finding many new markets.
कहाँ बन रहे हैं?
Shillong में बना.
शिलोंग में सिनेमा है पहले से?
नहीं, this is the first
है
one
ना?
that we opened, yeah. And we opened in Gangtok, and we opened in Leh Ladakh, not East, but Leh Ladakh.
Wow.
We opened 2 screens and it's doing phenomenally well.
Wow. I gone to धर्मशाला और वहाँ पर कोई स्क्रीन नहीं थी.
वहाँ पर भी खोल सकते हैं. Thank you for
ना?
the tip, yes.
आपको तो पता ही होगा. अच्छा मैंने बताया. Please. Somewhere it is true. मतलब प्री पैंडेमिक, पोस्ट पैंडेमिक एक डिप तो था कि लोग नहीं आ रहे थे. Certain cinemas that came, like if it was KGF, it was कांतारा, कुछ फिल्में चलने लग गई और मतलब एक वो certain rise आया with 1 or 2 films here and there. बट वो प्री पैंडेमिक ना छोटी फिल्में भी लग जाती थी. मतलब मैं जितनी भी फिल्में ऐसी छोटी प्यारी फिल्में बनाती थी, चाहे मेरी फर्स्ट फिल्म थी सलाम इंडिया, या when you think about a Wednesday, you think about genre agnostic, beautiful smaller films, either making a statement or has a certain experience. Our default setting was cinema. But अब वो clearly change हो चुका है. And लोग एक experience ही मांग रहे हैं. Even as storytellers. People ask me what is the next script you will make. And I have gone on record and said people are looking for an experience.
Yeah.
People want to come to cinema
Yeah.
for a cinematic experience.
Yeah.
You have to tell producers something. आप क्या बोलोगे?
You know, I mean, I know what I can do
जी.
to start with, and I think and it might not be right, of course, because I think we all learn and evolve as we're going through these, strategies. I do know that there is a certain product of ours which needs to be experiential, and we're investing heavily into that. Taki when people come, they see a difference, that this is not something you are watching at home. You can't watch a movie on a 12-meter screen at home. You know, it has to be an immersive experience on an IMAX. So there we're investing heavily, and there is an audience for that.
Come for the experience.
They come for the experience.
वो वाली फिल्में बनाएं जिसमें वो experience use कर पाएं.
I mean, if you look at Hollywood and look at their scale this year, has been focused even last year, I think starting from Oppenheimer, Barbie, Superman, Jurassic Park, MI5, this year Christopher Nolan is doing, Odyssey. There is an IMAX film every month this year, because they realize that to bring people back to the cinemas, you need that large immersive experience. So we're really focusing on that.
Yeah.
We're focusing on experience. We're focusing on hygiene, hospitality, great F&B. Cinema should not be dirty. Great S&P.
S&P क्या होता है?
Sound and projection.
अच्छा, okay. कितने और सिनेमा खोल रहे हो आप?
हम हर साल 100 screens खोलते हैं. We open about 100 screens every year.
Do you remember how I first met you?
Zuban, na?
हाँ, of course. And we had come to you, and that was the first time when Moses introduced us.
Yeah.
हमें screens कैसे मिल सकती हैं?
Yeah.
हम कैसे सिनेमा पे जाएं? और and जब final screening भी आई, उसके बाद भी मैंने आपको फ़ोन किया था. Only because बचपन का प्यार PVR साकेत, मैंने आपको फ़ोन किया था कि प्लीज़ साकेत में एक शो और लगा दो, एक यहाँ लगा दो, एक वहाँ लगा दो. And you were like, हाँ ठीक है. और मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ, ऐसे कितने लोग आपको फ़ोन करते हैं? कितने लोग फ़ोन?
नहीं होता है, of course.
Sanjeev is also a huge cinephile.
Yeah.
मतलब has seen all these films, और ये फिल्म्स खरीदते हैं इंडिया के लिए.
Yeah.
So I meet Sanjeev in film festivals. एक तो दुनिया को लगता है कि मैं जो फिल्में बनाती हूँ मैं film festivals में जाती हूँ, but I actually meet Sanjeev and his team there also.
Yeah.
Because he's buying for India.
Yeah.
So like Sanjeev is a distributor for India, I meet other distributors for other countries also.
For your films,
for
yeah.
my Hindi films. और वो मेरी 10-12 साल से जर्नी रही है, चाहे लंच बॉक्स था, चाहे वो किल था,
Yeah.
कि उनको हमने हर कंट्री में कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया. वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट फॉरेन लैंग्वेज फिल्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हियर. तो जितनी भी ऑस्कर फिल्म्स आती हैं, इनके वीकेंड्स पर यहाँ पर शोकेसिंग होना. So what festivals do you cover? Your team covers? What is that joy that you like? I picked this up and it worked for my audience.
This is like maybe a quasi producer sentiment. I'm not producing the movie. I can imagine how the producer feels when they make a movie and it works.
It's like giving birth.
Hana, exactly. So in a very smaller way,
Yeah.
because we read scripts, pre-market. Hollywood independent studios like A24,
Of course.
Black Bear, all these people send you scripts beforehand, and we read those scripts and then take a decision whether we want to buy those movies or not. Obviously 2 साल लग जाते movie बनाने में, and they keep sending you updates.
अच्छा, वो आपको 2 साल पहले स्क्रिप्ट भेज देते हैं?
Yeah, pre-production के time पे.
हमें भी भेजनी चाहिए हमारी स्क्रिप्ट.
हाँ, they send us a script before pre-production.
Good point.
Yes, and these are the 2 films that I picked up when I screened them in Berlin, I think. Mari Supreme before that, and Drama in the Berlin. And like every producer or distributor, I'm like, thank God, they work, you know.
I loved Marty Supreme.
Yeah.
Loved.
And there were 1 or 2 other very small films, colored cast. You know, nobody knew those actors at that time. Plus, it was LGBTQ.
Yeah.
And that in India is a no-no. My agent in LA, who basically helps us with this, she was like, just take a bet on it. It's only $10,000.
India
10,000 for all India.
Yeah.
All rights. Streaming,
Amazing.
ye, wo. कहते हैं उनको, they're so desperate to sell it. No one's buying it. Take a chance on it.
Crazy.
And I fought with my team. I said, no, let's just take a chance. There's something in this movie.
Yeah.
And it went on to win the Best
Of
Picture.
course. And वो क्या दिन था? La La Land.
La La Land
and
that
Moonlight
confusion.
and that confusion. एक पूरी टीम उभर आ गई.
हाँ, वो दोनों चढ़ भी गए थे. They all went on stage to get the award also.
What the moment. You also acquire non-English language, other language also, like
We do,
अगर Parasite है या कुछ है.
we do a lot of Japanese anime.
Mm-hmm.
And the interesting story about that was I didn't know anything about Japanese anime at all.
हाँ.
And I still probably haven't seen one properly. This is something which we picked up through social listening.
अरे.
So people were like going to our handler, Instagram handler, and talking about this movie, Kaizen Train to Murugan. When are you getting it? So I've read first comment. मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्या ही है. Then 10, 12, 15 comments of the same movie kept coming. Then I called my team and I said, ये क्या बला है जो people want to watch? What is it this that people are writing to us proactively?
Yeah.
Can you please find out what this is? It looks like a cartoon movie, which obviously don't do well in India. Animation is one of the least preferred, you know. We went to Japan, to Tokyo, met them. They also hadn't heard of India as a market. ये कौन आ गए हैं, you know. Song and dance वाले इनको क्या समझ आएगा? They cover anime, and it was a huge hit. We did Suzume after that, and that's when we realized that we have to give credit to the Indian consumer.
Yeah.
That they know their
Very
cinema.
aware.
Very aware.
देखिए टिकट प्राइसिंग के ऊपर मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि साउथ में तो टिकट प्राइसिंग फिक्स्ड है ना, एंड हिंदी में देयर इज ऑलवेज
Yes.
इनोवेशन.
Yes. Variable pricing.
वेरिएबल प्राइसिंग.
हाँ,
you know.
हाँ, हाँ.
And ये मुझे हमेशा से लगता है, मतलब सपोजिंग अ टिकट इज 100 रुपीज.
Yeah.
व्हाट इज द ब्रेकअप? मतलब मुझे पता है, बट आई लव यू टू आल्सो.
First, the GST.
जी.
GST
वो कितने
is
percent?
18%.
18%.
That goes, which I think is high.
Hmm.
Then basically there's a 50-50 split between the producer.
45, 55.
50 पहले वीक में तो 50 होता
हाँ, पहले प्रोड्यूसर उसके बाद
है. Then it's a
चलते
sliding scale,
हाँ.
yeah. So first week is 50%, and then it goes down to 47.5.
या प्रोड्यूसर का.
हाँ, producer का. And then it goes down to 42.5 for the
Producer
producer. But if the movie does well, the producer gets a bonus of 2.5%. Yeah,
हाँ.
once it reaches a certain threshold.
थैंक्स. तो ये एक सिस्टम है इंडिया का.
Yeah.
You know, I do have somebody very special who we know both in common. तो मैं कह रही थी कि how Sanjeev and I are family. We both have a common spiritual practice, and
Yes.
उसके अंदर there is my favorite Anita auntie, who's also Sanjeev's sister.
Yeah.
तो वो मुझे बाद में पता चला, मेरी उनसे इंडिपेंडेंट दोस्ती हुई, एंड वो मेरे घर रहने आई, and that's when she said my brother said hi. I was like, who's your brother? She's like, Sanjeev. I was like, really? You know, I literally call Sanjeev, एक शो बढ़ा दो, एक शो बढ़ा दो, एक PVR अनुपम में शो दे दो, 5 बजे का दे दो, हाँ 8 बजे का दे दो, हाँ ये भी चल जाएगा, ऐसे कर दो. So I love Anita auntie, and over a period of time she became my godmother, and I call her my godmother. So she's here today. I'm
Thank
so
you
happy.
for the lovely, warm invitation and so much love.
Thank you for being my family.
I love
My
you.
godmother.
New godmother.
Please meet your brother.
Welcome, nice to see you.
ये मेरे चैनल के लिए बड़े क्यूटली एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं दोनों. How are you?
I'm good, thank
It's
you.
so shining, na?
Yes,
So
absolutely.
shining. And how we are black
You're
and
looking
white.
lovely.
Right. We are very black and white people.
Very
Yeah,
black and
yeah.
white.
And we've just watched Michael Jackson, so we're very black and white.
Always her one-liner.
It never ends.
You know, तो मेरी एक दोस्ती और एक रिश्ता बना अनीता आंटी से over the years, over last now how 10 years now, 10 years, I think.
It feels more,
26.
but feels like forever.
Yeah, feels like forever. वो जो होता है ना, that sometimes you just meet people and you feel like you know them
जन्म
forever.
जन्म का है कुछ.
जन्म हाय हिंदी निकली
You
हिंदी.
wanted the
Janam
Hindi,
Janam
na?
ka saath hai. Yes.
So did you both grow up together?
Yes.
Or in different countries?
So initially, same country. So I would share. May I
हाँ.
share my very cute moment with Sanjeev?
Let me ask you ना, you're so eager to share. कहती है मैं घर से रिहर्स कर कर आई हूँ, मुझे क्या शेयर करना है?
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं बोल कुछ.
अभी there's a different question.
May I share? हाँ, so you grew up together in India or in Manchester. इसलिए आप सबकी मैनचेस्टर वाली इंग्लिश है.
Yes, absolutely.
हाँ, ये
It was a
accent
lovely
अंग्रेज-
place to grow up.
अंग्रेज चले गए, एक्सेंट छोड़ गए. हाँ बताओ, तो आप मैनचेस्टर में कहाँ कैसे बचपन कैसा था आपका?
It was very simple,
Yeah.
very loving,
Yeah.
family oriented.
तो मुझे बताओ फिर back to बचपन. Is there a memory of Sanjeev
There
that you
is a
have?
memory of
Please
this
tell
cute
us.
little boy who's still cute.
Very cute.
So this memory is very vivid, as if it happened yesterday. The emotions are still there. So there was a 6.5-year-old girl.
हिंदी में बोलो.
6.5 साल की लड़की थी और वो मैं थी and ये पैदा हुआ and he was placed on my lap and with a bottle of milk and I'm sitting like a 6.5-year-old girl, right? And there's a baby and I'm feeding him with the milk bottle and I'm talking to him
ये वाली memory
and
याद
his
है.
big eyes, big beautiful eyes are looking at me while I'm talking to him. So he his attention, I have his full attention. Here I'm saying तू बड़ा होएगा. Actually we grew up with Punjabi.
हाँ.
Our native language was Punjabi.
हाँ.
I learned Hindi after I came to India. I was not exposed to Hindi except for Indian movies. So I learned my Hindi through my father had a passion for Hindi movies. So I learned it then. So my Hindi was very funny. Na jaane ya mummy khana kya banayegi aaj, you know, that kind of Hindi. You know, it was actually like
मुझे आपसे हिंदी.
so it was very filmy dialogue in Hindi. But we grew up with Punjabi. So my thing, the bottle is there in his mouth and I'm saying, तू बड़ा होएगा, तू काम करेगा, तू बहुत बड़ा बंदा बनेगा, बहुत मेहनत करेगा. And he's listening to me like, you know, baby, as if to say this is a good TED talk, you know.
Yeah.
So I was
I
his
need
first, yeah. So this was,
So all the
I was his
success is
life
because of
coach.
this.
Yeah.
All the success
The
है बड़ा बंदा
blessings
बन
that-
गया.
Subconscious mind, no, subconscious mind में चले गए.
हाँ, आप ही ने डाला था
और
वो.
मैंने डाला था. I'm his greatest life coach.
Do you agree to that?
Absolutely. I can't vouch for what she told me when I was 1 month old. That's like requires a whole level superpower which I don't possess. But but subsequently, of course.
For me, just seeing the whole family from one corner because of you in your daughter's wedding, it was just the most beautiful to see you go up on the stage and your 4 brothers behind you. And I was just like, you know, you're so blessed.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I am.
And it's
I
just
feel
such
it.
a beautiful coming together, like, you know, hair.
Yeah.
To have a family and to have a family and then, you know, all your vacations that you guys take together. It's so sweet.
Yes.
It's
It's like
special.
family goals.
It's very special.
We do
It's
that
family
once
goals.
We
a
do
year.
that once a year, imagine.
We make sure that we travel together once a year. Now the kids have grown up.
Yeah.
Kids की तो शादियां भी हो गई हैं. So now the बहुएं and Javai
Son-in-laws,
Rajas, they all
yeah.
come with us now.
And we always choose a new destination every year.
Yes.
It has to be a
But
different
3 दिन के
destination.
लिए.
3 nights.
हाँ, 3 दिन के बाद कहीं लड़ाइयाँ ना शुरू हो जाए.
Like any Punjabi
Like any
family.
Punjabi
Yeah.
family.
हाँ.
Like
Big
they say,
fat
you know,
Punjabi,
fish
हाँ.
and guests sauce.
फिर आप क्या इंग्लिश में लड़ते हो हिंदी में लड़ते हो आप?
We are very
Mostly
multilingual.
Yeah.
English
We
में
start
गाली
very politely.
हाँ.
How are you? की करना पे है? How dare you?
How dare you?
तो फिर हिंदी में भी थोड़ा सा ना क्या कर जी ऐसे थोड़ा सा you know थोड़ा calm down. So 3 languages in one sentence. So
तो आप
quite-
लोगों ने बस वेकेशन साथ में लिए या जनरली भी ट्रायल किए? तो इतना फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में जाते हैं.
I went to Cannes once.
You did.
And guess
Without
what?
that, yeah.
And he was in awe of me the way I was behaving because I was running after Jackie Chan and you know, and he was like, I've never done that. I come every year. I mean, look at you. You're talking to everybody. We were both very young then. I don't even know whether he remembers this. It was 25
Yeah, it
years
was
ago.
many years
Many
ago.
moons
Dad
ago.
came,
आप
yeah.
कितने साल से कैन जा रहे हो?
25 years, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
तो आपने जैकी चैन से दोस्ती कर
Jackie Chan के पीछे भागी मैं. I'm a big fan of yours. And he goes, wow, you really. I said, yeah, I'm like that. If I
हम
love someone, I
distributor
love
हैं.
them.
हम थिएटर वाले हैं, वैसे भागते नहीं एक्टर्स के
Photo भी
पीछे.
ले ली उससे.
हमने आपकी पिक्चर खरीदी है. हेलो तो बोलो. फोटो तो दो.
Yeah. Great experience.
Do you have a beautiful memory of hers, even from recent times?
I have such wonderful memories of hers. No, I was
Calligraphy
very
teacher.
Anita Didi since I was a child.
ਹੁਣ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੁਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਅਨੀਤਾ
हाँ, अब
दीदी.
दीदी नहीं बोलता. Now it's Anita. But
Anita.
Funny, sounds
Anita,
cooler.
Yeah. But honestly, like we were inseparable.
Yeah.
Inseparable. Like she used to take me with all her friends also.
Yeah.
She had this really nice Honda Civic sports car in Manchester. And I remember just like zipping around
अब तो नहीं
Manchester.
चलाते आप गाड़ी?
मैं अब कहीं कुछ चला लेती हूँ पर गाड़ी नहीं चलाती।
कभी
कहीं कुछ चला लेती हूँ।
अपनी जिंदगी चला लेती हूँ, वही बहुत है।
So thank you for making time
Thank
for my
you.
beautiful channel and my
Thank
beautiful
you.
people.
Like, share and subscribe.
अब
Thank
हिंदी
you.
में बोलो।
Like, share ते subscribe.
ये हिंदी वर्जन हो गया। But thank you.